Welcome to the Gonzo book. I am Jose, and look what I got here.
Shelly.
I got Shelly with me. We just got back from the movies. We were tired, and then we had a package from Peggy and Don from Gone with the Windleys, and it was Peggy's channel is called All Things Peggy, and Peggy had a 60th birthday party, and she had all these goodie bags, and they were giving us one, and we got it. I don't want to show the address on there. So we're just doing a little unboxing. See what they got us. Unpacking. Woo! First things first, we got the bag that everything came in.
Open it.
Wait a minute. And on the bottom it says thank you, and both sides are the same. Now one says 60th birthday, photo of Peggy, and here it says thank you on it. Nice. Let's put it on. See what we got. Oh, it's that one. That one little.
Oh yeah, that's cute.
What do you call that? I don't know.
Is it a notepad or?
It's something she. Oh, Hershey's chocolate.
Oh, nice.
We're near Hershey Park or Hershey City. Nice.
That was very nice.
And it has. I don't know how she does this. She has a machine, I guess. So 60th, and on the other side says happy birthday, and she has a little chain on there.
Yeah, that's very nice.
Yeah, I remember her making these.
Oh, this is very, very nice.
Came with a notebook. Yep. Notebook, and it has that same picture with Peggy, and it says composite book mini, Peggy's 60th birthday. Little memento, and on the back it says thank you with some cowboy boots. Makeup remover. Now this is pretty cool. It's lip balm, but then it has her picture on it. Western theme, thanks for coming. Oh, that is cool. Even has a grommet up here to hang with. I never seen that.
Tell you what, it looks like this is professional.
Yeah. Look at that one.
Awesome job.
Look at that.
Yeah. Western.
We'll open up that second.
Very nice.
Oh, that notebook came with a little pencil too. Look at that.
Look, even the lip balm.
Yeah, that's cool. And some more makeup removal stuff.
No, those are nice. The good ones too. Neutrogena. Yep.
No, that's just part of the bag. Alright, let's see here. We did get a shot glass. Nice. She was saying that a lot of people from
the
party wanted 2 shot glasses since she had a few extra. But we got the full package, which is nice. And it has her 60th, Peggy 60th. Oh, I'm gonna have to play the song while I'm doing the video. Oh, that is so nice. Look at that. Good job, Peggy. And it came this nice
yeah, she
little.
did a very good job.
Came in that nice little. Oh, this is the fan. Where the fans at? She went all out on this birthday.
She did.
She had a bad experience with the, what do you call it, the coordinator?
Oh, I don't know. I didn't watch the live.
You didn't watch that one? No, yeah, you watched the live.
Yeah.
She was telling me. Alright, it says Peggy's 60th birthday. Alright.
Yeah, she did go all out.
Ah, where my fans at? Oh, wait a minute. Oh,
just don't tear it.
yeah. Look at that. How do you do it? Oh, this way. Oh my goodness, look at that.
That's very, very nice.
Where my fans at? I don't know how to do that, but she did that all herself. Look at that. Peggy, Peggy,
very talented.
Oh, I'm gonna need this. Sometimes it gets a little warm in here. I don't feel, I'm cool. It came with
Oh my
this,
gosh, very
it came with
nice.
this nice thing too.
Yeah,
It must not have been
this
cheap.
is nice material.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not paper. It's
Yeah, I wonder how she printed
Yeah.
it on there.
Well, she took the material and printed it first, and then.
Well, yeah.
Because remember, she was showing us how she did it.
She had to cut it?
Yeah.
She did.
And
I
then
did
she-
see it, but I don't
yeah.
remember her printing.
Yeah.
She wasn't printing on
Yeah.
it.
Very nice.
So that's what we got. We wanted to say thank
Yeah,
you,
there's
thank
something
you,
in
thank you. Well, that's right. You got the card.
Very, very nice. Peggy is so talented.
All right,
She should open up her own business.
thank you so much. It says. Let's see what it says. Oh, look at that, babe.
Oh, that is so cute.
That is nice. You do it with a rubber band. I hope I got that on camera. I think I did. Cool. Nice. All right, that was it. That was.
Thank you, Peggy
Thanks,
and
Peggy.
Don.
We appreciate
Very,
it.
very nice.
We definitely appreciate it. And I'm a diabetic, so I can't eat this. But somebody's going to eat it. If they leave it around, I'm not going to eat it anymore. I can't eat it. All right, so Peggy, thank you so much. She said she was going to
Yeah.
send us something, and she did. We
Yeah.
appreciate it. And she just sent it out Monday, I think.
I
right?
think, yeah.
So it didn't take long. It took 3 days.
Yeah.
So
Very,
yeah,
very nice.
yeah. She had another picture of Peggy when she age 5. Look at that.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Yeah, on the side, and on the other side it was just balloons. His 60th birthday. Nice.
Oh, that is
Thank you. We
cute.
appreciate it.
Very, very nice. Peggy, we love you. And Don
Thank you.
and DJ.
We appreciate everything. Thank you for sending us the full bag.
Yeah.
we
We appreciate you guys so much.
And I'm going to send you guys, since I have your address, I'm going to send you guys a complimentary Gonzo mug from Zazo. So I'm going to send you one, and you should be getting it there, I don't know, 10 days, 15 days. Give it to December 1st.
Yeah.
So that's all I have. Do you have anything, babe?
No.
Yeah, we just
Yeah.
got back from the movies. We saw Predator Badlands. If you hadn't seen it, it just came out today. It was pretty damn good. It was pretty much from beginning to end action. And it was nice. It was a good Predator movie. I'm going to say it was just as good as the first Predator movie. Now remember, the first Predator movie came early 80s. But that was a really good movie. And this one had some good graphics to it. Some good graphics. And good action. Good action.
And this is our new addition.
Look at that.
Uh,
Charlie, man.
his name's Charlie.
Charlie,
And
yeah.
he just got neutered. So I think he just turned 7 months. So he's a
took it-
good buddy for Bentley.
He
so.
took it like a champ, though. He came
Yeah, he
back
did
and he was
very
like,
well.
all right, they did something. I don't know what it was.
He's a little Yorkie. 4 pounds. So now we got 2 dogs.
You good, babe?
Yep.
All right, we're going to end this video. Thank you again for to the Winsleys, Don and Peggy, and of course DJ. And we appreciate you. And without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
Bye.
Happy 60 to you. Happy 60th birthday to you. Peggy, happy 60 to you.